Nia Brant be a friend Prince Tod. One or a gun and in Ensu Olive na brabo nyina ewo US memoir. Abemo is oko Instagram, oko YouTube, TikToker. Na se wo ya abemo na se wo ni akoma pa. One sha wo benya akoma yale me edwa to hospital because sika eye Prince Tod eyiwo social media so eniema ode ye ne ho entire designing bags o use de ye ne ho watch abo no de kira ebetumi atonkra kro duemu ha eniema ne bo ode nkra na oda na di otumi paki sika isa na wo de kire eye mmebu ni se mo hwe sika de pa na chese ye dadwene ho ye hu office bia eye Prince Tod o ye adwuma ye hu se o ye adwuma obabi na emosika na eflo niema kese na woye na wo baga na dia misro na edutwam kasa kese pa wo ba se ne wo twi no wasesa boys yegum na omo gineni na Ghana ni abrante bi ono so US ay friend no Captain Caesar ono so dia betu jase eya Prince Tod ni sika o yusu ni ade nyina misro ye fraud enkrofo na oye ni money laundry na woye na sabrede eye US abayi apolisifo e dia banka wa egu ni nsa sabrede ye nhwehwemu ahwe bebia onya ni sika ne na hodie efri misro ye ntie mrasesia
nansen ye che Prince Tod etum ewo America wa wunim Prince Tod no ni picture on the screen no so no he is the one of the hardest street bad boys open crabonia omuska this guy is part of them nani edin wo street no so a hard guy masa nani edin yankasa oti America eja won ho ankasa agudie gugu no ho na utimi use nanse eja fa ne to eja eyede e fa ne to yes one ewo America unfortunately one need to asaka wasem you ne on laundry say one need to you know the vibes who street ni so abetiase so atiase enti no yes one ne so
Roy
atre loyalty
Mr. Roy
Charlie watch loyalty senior man no ono na che loyalty 50,000 bail or the akwa to no am ye Prince Tod they see make say Prince Tod ye bail no one the man chakra bear one man
Anna Roy
eko sign bond e diskato wo se Charlie oso ni mu na kura no man nko jail
Auntie Roy in su picture
you see make say the Prince Tod he's back on the street. He's still back on the street. Oh yeah, kura bunny.
Flash, they get Nebraska. They deleted my snaps, so now I gotta snap off the iPad and shit.
Any nigga couldn't sit in my chair, yeah, it's on nigga this. I know I can get one on the phone, yeah, I was in baby. Chubu mami, shena wa mami baby ako. Naje.
We back outside, man. Broke niggas is.
I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll one, smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say all girls like one thing. She make my happy say like a boom boom. Next time you gonna take it to boom boom. Very done we go boom boom. Pop on the wagon, baby say boom boom. Say cheese, take a bit.
Why people keep thinking this is a fake page though? This is a real page. This the real Prince Tod. Your Uber outside. What you talking about? Why people?
Please take a picture. Strike a post, make a scene, take a picture. Why you don't worry? Why you don't bore? Give the love that we share is real. I know you will. Posting me. And for me, posting me.
Fucking playing, honey bun. Catch. Stop playing with that man. Quarterback.
Facebook, posting me. Post me on WhatsApp, post me. Post me on Insta, post me. Hey, Nana, Samurai. My body na my frau. Nancy so bad, never made it home. If you see my baby, then I'm saying, gonna be happy. I'll take her. Mama, tell me boxing. Get a home to my 35 doctors. If you see my.
This how we moving. GTs, Maybachs. This how we moving. 350 in the trenches. What they talking about? Yeah, everything brand new. 2022. Bread.
Kiss you. Ashemi sabua. Uni suwa na misui. Ora sewa ma yemi go. I said me put more and 10 every step in your focus, but friend and bad.
Ohime kwe ntwa na mbesum akra.